First, find the car you want.
Ooh, I want that car.
Then check out the exterior. Then check out the interior. Then test drive the car.